This is the 1975 Cadillac Eldorado AM/FM radio with the 8-track player. This is for my friend Greg in Chicago, Illinois. And the unit has been taken apart and restored so as to allow the 8-track original player to function. Currently I have an Eddie Rabbit, I don't even know where I found this 8-track tape cassette, but I did. So I'm revealing my age. But anyway, so this is an Eddie Rabbit 8-track tape, and it's in the 1975 Cadillac Eldorado radio for my friend Greg in Chicago. And I'll be sending him this video with his OK to ship reply request. Make sure it meets with his expectations. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 parts for the 1975-1976 Cadillac Eldorado, and this is the AM/FM stereo radio with the 8-track player restored. Thank you very kindly. Today is January 31st.